Right over the wheels.
Are you recording this? This is fantastic.
Okay.
Right over the wheels.
We have to remember this.
Okay.
Well, yeah, that is why we're slipping too.
So, yeah.
Back here on the wheels, we get all the way.
And to shift a little seating around.
But they're light.
Oh
These
my.
fans are great, but they're light.
Yeah, so the guys had to get in the back.
So we
We're way in the back because we're about to go up the death hill.
I love that too.
My favorite.
When it rains,
Death hill.
Just take 10.
Hang on, everybody. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can.
We got it.
We got it.
Got this?
Just right there, yeah, just right there. After that, we all clear. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Carl. I needed that.
Yeah, bounce a little more.
Bounce it up.
Where's Tortola? Look at that. Look at that. It's a heck of a view down there.
And that's green tea. You can squeeze it. Yeah, right there you go. That's green tea. Right in front of Jos van Dijk. Green Key, Jos van Dijk. The big island over there in the horizon, straight ahead of us, that's St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. You get that was a fort that was built with on that point over there. That garden road town. And then Fort Pierce on the east side. Whatever out there, right? All the sweet sugar. Correct. Then we have the heritage dances there. Local dance group. All those boats are like
Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful.
my God.
Stop, get out. I'm gonna get a shot with you guys there.
Thank you.
That's it.
Yes, you have a beautiful office, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know if it gets any better than that. You don't get tired of this view, do you?
Oh, hell no. Only thing keeps me happy when I'm bored. We got the famous Casper rum punch as well for the trip. Made for a woman, strong enough for a man. You can't get it nowhere else. I'm the only ghost here. Only me knows the recipe.
What's your name, sir?
I'm Casper.
Casper, the friendly ghost. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Casper punch. We got beer, sodas, and waters as well.
Okay, let's try that.
I tell you, easy beats in there.
Game
Giving
beef today?
thanks. Huh?
Game beef today?
No.
Oh, it's not for a vehicle.
Roads, where we're going, we don't need roads.
Need roads.
Off the
Getting
beaten
a little
path.
muddy and everything.
Off the beaten path.
This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, ours has been canceled. The one that we booked.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's one of them.
Thumbs out.
Yeah. Ha. Yeah, now the color is gorgeous.
Stunning.
You left us in the well, right?
Yeah, she's seen it twice. I think she'll fall for it a third time.
Well, Jay got attacked by the leaf fish. Favor got attacked by the log fish.
I did. Oh my goodness.
And she survived.
Oh, son, come out. We want you.
I mean, it is quite chilly.
Yeah, it is. I have goosebumps.
Yeah, I have goosebumps, yeah.
Well, you startled me. I know what you're doing. I wasn't thinking it was a secret.
We need the sunshine a little bit here. Okay. It's trying.
I saw it twice. I wasn't going to fall for that.
Frat boys, I'm telling you.
Well, when you shout right there. I have to admit, even though I'm freaked out about everything, like
the sand is amazing.
No problem.
Yeah. No problem at all. Yep, the sand is beautiful.
I'll step on like something.
And guess what? Like
under the sand.
every once in a while you get a nice little wave. It's like a wave pool.
Yes.
You kind of get pushed in. You have to swim back out, but it's kind of fun.
I'm good with getting pushed in. I don't like being pushed
Right.
out. Galveston will pull you out
Oh.
and away.
Yeah, but I like this, the little wave action. I don't feel unsafe. I don't feel like I'm going to go out to sea.
No, I don't know.
This kind of, man, it just feels so soft.
I know.
I agree,
It's
It's like Pensacola, yeah. I would say it's identical, yeah. We're doing this thing.
Tortola BVI. Tortola BVI.
Look at this. Oh, definitely check this place out.
We're spinning, I can't.
Long Bay East.
That we look really weird right now.
They're all looking.
Hi, Colin.
There must be some cult or something out there. If you see a pineapple, there's something weird going on over there.
Oh my.
The pineapple and then we just praise it.
Oh my gosh.
All hail the pineapple.
It was like, oh yeah, I did. Little did I know. Who I was dealing with, yes. Yeah, and at that time, I had time to do that kind of research. I don't have time for it.
Welcome back.
Yes.
Back to the ship, our home.
Phenomenal day.
Oh, the most wonderful day.
In fact, a day just like yesterday.
Yes. Great island, great people, great beaches and sunshine. I think we saw it all. An exciting day on Tortola. We took a pretty exhilarating ride around the island and visited a few beaches, got to see some overlooks, and that was just really amazing. I really love Tortola. You guys, seriously, if you have a chance to get here, please do. I highly recommend doing an island tour to get some of the, higher level views of the port and of other places on the island. There's amazing blue water. We went to, finally ended up at a beach where we could swim, which was really beautiful. And I'm just amazed at what the beauty that Tortola has. And I think it's undersold. It really is truly a treasure. Tortola is a treasure. Hey, it's always loud in the atrium, right? Let's check it out.
We are not allowed to do mimics. I don't ask you to dance. No, you just want to talk, okay? Keep breathing. They cannot hear you, so you can say louder or you can just no sounds. Family number 1, please, sit here. And then you, sir, come here.
Oh well. I'm not sure what that is, but some sort of game show.
You ready?
Let's go find Brian. I have a feeling he's in the casino. That's my suspicion. Hey, did you bring me my cruise?
No.
I lost.
Why?
I lost a lot of your cruise money.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
We are in Taste tonight.
Oh, wait a minute.
We haven't
This is always
eaten enough today, so yeah, this is Taste. Pretty. Oh, look how cute. Cute that is.
It looks like a little a pre-order. Thank you.
Same.
How do you explain what that is there?
Well, that is a taco cup.
Yes, it looks like a tortilla chip.
I think it's a pulled pork taco
Okay.
cup. I think that's what it was. It basically looks like a nacho to me.
It looks messy. Be careful with that.
Yeah.
I have gluten-free bread. I think that might be my dinner tonight. They couldn't find my pre-order gluten-free pizza, so
you're on your Saturday, we're not going to be here.
It's all
So
right.
you're going to have to learn it on your own eventually.
This is all good.
That would be now.
You're eating your tomatoes.
I am eating my tomatoes.
Are you only eating your
I'm only eating my
This
tomatoes.
is prosciutto. I mean, I know it's half eaten, but you enjoyed it?
Yes.
Pretty good.
Do they bring dew already in kegs?
I like
They
prosciutto.
sneak that cheese underneath the...
Oh, yeah. You could just say
But it
no
tastes
cheese,
good.
maybe.
I wonder, but I don't mind. I just, I'm too full
You're
to
not
eat the
used
bread.
to-
I just eat the tomatoes.
They'd be
Yeah.
allowed to do
It
that
looks
because
good.
it might
Nice
Yeah.
fresh pile of tomatoes. It was good. It looks good.
Yeah.
I just finished just a regular garden salad with ranch dressing, and then we got some gluten-free bread and regular bread. Gluten-free, regular. And they lost the rest of my order, so that's my dinner.
One on them bad boys, you know.
I'm trying to figure out what this is.
I forgot. It's the shrimp dill,
Lime dill shrimp. But
lime and
then
dill
I
shrimp.
think that reminds me of like a squash, but acorn squash maybe.
Isn't it? It looks like potatoes, though.
No, it's not potato. It's a vegetable.
Oh, interesting.
It's good.
It tastes like potatoes to me.
Does it?
It does. The little cubed,
Yeah, seasoned cubed
Yeah.
potatoes.
with some kind of maybe a mustard.
Yeah.
I can hold my breath.
Okay. All right, they actually did remember. They found my order. It's gluten-free pizza, which looks pretty good.
Is it thick? It looks like it's not. It looks good, like a good thickness.
Yeah, it's
like a
actually not bad, and
Lots
it's
of yummy
crispy
cheese.
out here. It's not soggy, which is nice. So